I have the pleasure to name this ship HMS Glasgow. May God bless her and all who sail on her.
I've got to ask now, who is it? Hearts?
No.
Oh, okay. That's right. It's Scottish. That's two Scottish teams. Yeah. What do you do when Celtic play Hearts? Who do you support them? Haven't got that far. You take your time to think about that. Perfect. Well, guys, thank you so much. Very nice to chat to you all. And you keep doing what you're doing with cancer, because I think you'll get somewhere. Honestly, you're doing brilliant. It's not easy, and it's hard work sometimes to get this across. And there's lots of competing thinking out there. But you've clearly articulated what it is you guys want to see. So well done. Very nice to meet you too, guys. Thank you very much. Nice to chat to you all. This feels like a very bonding artistic table. Look at these things. There's a hidden gem in here. I know there's a few. Loving your colours. It's a what? It's a flower.